Well, hello, this is part 2 of a video on EC9. This probably won't make a lot of sense unless you already saw part 1 of this video. Where we left off, we were discussing how it mentions that resistor A has twice the resistance of resistor B. And so probably the easiest way to write that is to think about and write it in terms of V2 and V3. And so what we can say is two V3s is equal to one V2s because this is twice as much. So using this, we can substitute in over here because we're actually only have one known to start with. We do know the voltage of 1, which would be 11.6, but we don't know. This is as far as we could get without any additional information. But this right here allows us to input, and the easiest thing to do is in place of V2, we can just substitute in 2V3. And so we can say that 11.6 equals 2V3 plus V3. We can then solve this. And what we're going to find, of course, is that 11.6 is equal to 3 of those. We can divide both sides by 3. And you're going to find that 3.867 volts equals the voltage drop at V3. The original question was, what is the voltage drop across both of them? So V3 we've established would be 3.867. To find the other one, we would simply take 11.6 volts, go back to this equation, is going to be equal to, now that we know V3, we know that, and then we can solve for unknown by subtracting 11.6 volts minus 3.87, and we would, in fact, find out what that is. I'm not going to do that for time's sake, but that would be your final steps to solving in questions such as you would see on this. And in here, it's Q3. Thank you. Make sure and like and subscribe.